Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Tangerine Bank and whether or not they're in trouble. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to address it. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of financial stability. Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank, and as such, it is subject to the same regulations as any other Canadian bank. This means that they are required to maintain a certain level of capital, and they are also subject to regular audits by the Canadian government. Now, let's get into the specifics of Tangerine Bank's financial situation. As of December 31st, 2022, Tangerine Bank had a total equity of $6.3 billion. This is a significant amount of money, and it gives the bank a strong foundation. Additionally, Tangerine Bank has a healthy level of liquidity, which means that they have enough cash on hand to meet their obligations. Overall, Tangerine Bank appears to be in good financial shape. However, it is important to note that the banking industry is constantly changing, and it is possible that Tangerine Bank could face challenges in the future. Now that we've taken a look at Tangerine Bank's financial situation, let's talk about some of the things that could potentially put the bank at risk. One of the biggest risks facing Tangerine Bank is the possibility of a recession. If the economy were to slow down, people would be less likely to borrow money, and this could lead to a decline in Tangerine Bank's profits. Another risk facing Tangerine Bank is the possibility of a cyber attack. Cyber attacks are becoming more and more common, and they can have a devastating impact on banks. If Tangerine Bank were to be hacked, it could lose customer data, and this could lead to a loss of confidence in the bank. Despite these risks, I believe that Tangerine Bank is a safe and sound institution. The bank has a strong financial foundation, and it is well prepared to handle any challenges that may come its way. In conclusion, I don't believe that Tangerine Bank is in trouble. The bank is in good financial shape, and it has a strong track record of safety and security. However, it is important to be aware of the risks that the bank faces and to monitor the bank's financial situation closely. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Tangerine Bank, I encourage you to visit their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.